watches the woman commonly bench and so I'm going to build it for you sequentially.
Right.
Bruni Bekano, what happened? Metia Ghana's foremost diplomat in the US, that is Ambassador Victor Emmanuel Smith. Also, Abechi circumstances around. We say no. Command air question is abine yes settings. Say said nam Tamakloe krano yenche no na abine yes settings and nema wabichi ni nyina ya. As at the time, almost communicating Kennedy, said them don't communicate. There's a lot of issues around it, but at least they are because in chef million son saying a chef for opportunity na me. But what I have advantage of is also that we can play certain calls.
Right.
We can get a pay my call me from the US.
Right.
Now what happened was that Mr. Ofori-Atta pay me brief for me.
Okay.
And then this is the brief the Ghana embassy sent. When Mr. Ofori-Atta was arrested. We and the lawyers need there. But this is what the embassy basically said. Or said, the embassy of Ghana in Washington DC can confirm that Ghana's former Minister for Finance, Mr. Kenneth Nhyira Ofori-Atta, has been taken into custody by Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) in the United States. Upon receiving this information, the embassy undertook the necessary steps to verify the circumstances surrounding the matter. Following confirmation, the embassy formally contacted the relevant detention facility to request access to Mr. Ofori-Atta in order to provide consular assistance in line with established diplomatic and international protocols. The embassy was informed by the facility that the detainee declined to engage with consular officials at the time without his lawyers. The embassy of Ghana remains in contact with the appropriate United States authority and will continue to follow the matter closely to ensure that Mr. Ofori-Atta's rights are totally respected. Signed, Ambassador Victor Emmanuel, 10th January 2026. Later, Nyebeti and say, Mr. Ofori-Atta was arrested on the 6th of January. I'm going to timeline. I can confirm to you additional information. Say, Obeko court on the 20th. Obeshia an immigration lawyer, but pay me brief with you. Per what I heard Ambassador say yesterday on Asempe FM, that meeting with an immigration lawyer will be virtual.
Eugene, my main country yet here for say we're having a little challenge with Facebook. And you know, bet me ako YouTube now what sharing live also they are working on it until it to be restored. Okay. Right.
Okay. It's in the first court appearance, 20th. And no, Ambassador Victor Smith and your sister Sesha Sempa Kasai or sing the brief for what they see and there. I should show a administrative and immigration issue.
Okay.
Into Obeshia judge, the virtual say on court to them. Judge and anybody come over. I bear from Tintan Cassie and a video call. And on babies uncommon. Manu.
Okay.
Near me brief and once when I say you're for a visa and a crown, a multiple entry visa. But US visa net say, okay, 6 months and I saw samba with Chibiu.
Okay.
Now was Sanko.
Right.
And on our Tana Bruce Tia. Yeah, dear funnel.
Right.
The brief from the son want to say, according to Ghana's ambassador to USA, you're Ofori-Atta was all US no Oko UK.
Okay.
With the whole percent ko baby you are. Nanka another 6 months I activated. And no na Akobotia na as a July man one is on free mining by 29th November. I went this one with the coaching on the 6th of January. Right. So that is the brief. The visa expire. Expire 14 February.
Okay.
But 6 months window no odibroso. Another information I can confirm to is according to the ambassador. No say ISF watching no. Because of the medical history, extradition requester, they check this medical credentials. Almost check here, no. Almost say you're Ofori-Atta who ya. Almost me detain no. I be biama.
Ne say ne yare no enyade esikwan. Say omuntimi.
Omuntimi detain no.
Okay.
But that is ICE.
Okay. But with visa no ho asem no.
Yes.
On say e bi betimi ama 5 years.
Yes.
And son I expire.
Yes.
But multiple entry.
Yes.
Education of Ofori-Atta the can say be end February 14.
Yes.
Which last year.
No, this year.
This year. Last year na okoye, right?
Yes.
Last year na okoye. Yes. It be expire February this year.
Yes.
Now it means say bia unya 1 year na.
Yes, unya 1 year. Oko pay checks.
Okay.
Oko the 4th of January 2025.
Okay.
Time chain and a 6th of January 2026.
Good.
So that is 360. It's 365 days.
Yeah, sure.
367 days.
Today say we brought
6 months and by another 6 months.
Okay. Okay.
So the confirmation is 3. One, the court date no 20th according to Ambassador virtual. Or say brief for one. Ice na Tuesday. Ice na chain. But ice chain mo chain there are undertones which links to extradition case na FBI local police no e ho bon asem nim no.
Okay. Enti say ye establish we ye. Say 1 year ansa na expire. Expire there. Emum no. Wo mo mra nhihye mu ne akwantu mu nsem no. Ura mu a
we can revoke it.
Upie.
Yes.
Now what say uremu bi?
Yes.
It upie 6 months no. Upia.
Yes.
Now what say uremu bi?
Yes.
For another 6 months.
For another 6 months.
Now see 1 year no de amansa na visa na expire. But no uremu no.
Yes.
And pie no ho asem na akwa baby so kire say o ko UK.
Yes.
Upie ko UK.
Yes.
No fin say pie akwa aba.
Yeah.
Enti go timi to aso.
Yes.
America force there bi.
But not necessarily 1 year. Now 6 months, 6 months. Obetwenya 10 years.
Okay.
But because it's not an immigrant visa,
okay,
because it's the normal B1, B2 visas, mostly the education I mean is 6 months.
Into Kwano Aba.
5 years a day. Into Kwano Aba. And you're not a cotton bros, but there's an undertone of an extradition case, you know.
And also,
I can also confirm that FBI is involved in this matter.
It's a extradition. I can say buying. Esusu second Ofori-Atta ese obebo anhwehwemu bi wo man mu na saa mo na ese obebo asa anhwehwemu no aban de krata akose America aban fa Ken Ofori-Atta nya den emayen
yes
eno nso akoda ho eno na extradition eno da ho apart from Ken Ofori-Atta ono ana kwantu hu nsem no saa asem no so aga na aban de kono nso ehyase okay,
so that's basically Ken Ofori-Atta issue no
right
na me kan baby a oda no there's a confirmation no ko ISA the details for baby oda ni
okay
into wa ha almost be 10 days ni na kwa me have pictures
na attach
me hwe
one for your cells na attach
like na say go be kwa me hwe na de ba ko pe na ba me tini me wie se na Tamakloe na me ya ka ho akai me say Eugene so be bi me ya ka ho
okay
akwa the next story am dey ma no maame we Madam Sedina Tamakloe.
Okay.
So this is the appeal process and I'm actually in summary na man and you see a chicken Ofori-Atta the neighbor so what happened is that you be man court immigration judge. I mean, share one day. I mean, move to Sedina Tamakloe.
But Eugene, what is your take on this? But I mean, say what chance on it? The Attorney General Dominic Ayine, HSA, after the 20th January said you're okay. Ken be PMO court. After that, it's either Ken obey self-deportation, and I say US abino ebe deport no the na abre. That one he stressed on that to say. Or confirm that.
So this is the process.
Right.
I say Chewa, they don't summarily put you on a plane and bring you back.
Right.
And let's not forget that Ken Ofori-Atta is a high profile personality.
Right.
Into Ambassador Victor Smith Crown, almost check Ken Ofori-Atta eyes for no corner office.
Okay.
So yeah, John Mahama who US and
right.
Almost corner office could brief you no. And was saying, Papa Nessa wa yare. Net drone something just you're checking on you okay. Net drone so no munya making sure so no net drone. Now this is the process. Yechiwa ye do be ko immigration judge no ba ko in the 20th no be bo nim kro Mr. Ofori-Atta ye say yachiwo wo bu mra no we so uyi wa no sen na Ken Ofori-Atta ye den eyina no ovia the next step no say obetima challenge detention no no aka say ye ma ne bi fa bond hearing and ye can bail
okay
once o mo hwehwe ni nsemu ni mu
ye betimi ama
yeah say hwehwe ni nsemu no you can ask the judge to release you on bond once your case continues It's judge and Ken Ofori-Atta after 20 years from the judge in the betting man the bill. There's a possibility.
Okay.
Judge in this way, like I said, there be a bill. One kind of bond. Yeah, kind of bill. Sign a lawyer for a catch. It's a difference.
Okay.
The third process, possible process, is say even you can't see a bit deportation and I am deportation, especially deportation. Baby says a bit deportation. He can appeal the process or appeal here. And that could be a friend the Board of Immigration Appeals.
Okay.
It's a Board of Immigration Appeals to be transferred. Say immigration judge no show crack them say no cause you deport so won tiase bonkuro
okay
and in fact to Attorney General they no cause or call news fan the matter can travel all the way to the US Supreme Court it's enya say Ken Ofori-Atta be or ba next month there be and no ship papa no sequence nyama makeka he wants to fight the process to the latter
okay and lawyers so and
we na so betumi end if or no Ken Ofori-Atta na say Panochano our self-deport. Self-deport just me say me bagana. Me free mun meba. Munche bibia so.
Okay.
But on when choose our route na they must exhaust all the appellate processes. You can't appellate processor. Court to get be claim na anya get be court ba time. What you court kesiem. Sa another could court no kese pa. And some final way no, ya ka se the wo ba.
Okay.
It is don enye enani o chenasem. E processes. In fact, Osei immigration judge now over 30 days.
Okay.
To appeal.
Okay.
It's the 20th of your back or window of 30 days to appeal. Okay. So when appeal 30 days, I made portal.
Wow.
It's a very legalistic process. Man, no one be brave. And Tamakloe, the answer chance. Someone for some said.
Now, can I say as I live on Facebook right now? I restore Facebook now. My obit me a question with Facebook. Yeah, live now. All the details on Saka. Eugene.
Mami, and that's your said in Tamakloe. One of the points is Omar John Mahama says see from. Now, maybe no many woman. And Akokwa, me na me one of the people believe he said the NDC government no more than bar. It will further give a certain credibility to their fight against corruption. John Mahama wana buga pele mone Victoria Hama mone man a certain momentum so no a certain president no take this actions.
Yeah.
And I'm going to say I'm on the nebe babua. On the 18th of November 2025.
Right.
MPP member of parliament filed urgent question. Echo parliament. And Attorney General Colonel Carr say obeto extradition treaty be. Right?
Yeah.
Extradition file be. In fact, extradition for Sedina Tamakloe no file in July 2024. But also by December or the bigger source, according to information from Ambassador Victor Smith. Now, as a December, according to Ambassador, hint to be said, Mami, my passport in Las Vegas. It's not here. But the interesting is that they no much chicken of Ofori-Atta State January no. Saturday na near chair Madam Sedina Tamakloe. But no de ice na kwa chicken of Ofori-Atta mami US Marshals. And a kwache. Na kwa US Marshals no mo yankrofobia. Obi dani free prison. And I should show obi a obi no adjame. Omo kwotwe sa ankrofo ne ba no. Any US Marshals. Examine said we go Kumasi Central Prisons. I can 20 years we adjame. Agency and answer the foremost agency in Canada and no one is Eggman. But I'm agency but the foremost agency US Marshals.
Okay.
And no more say Yachi Madam said the damn Tamakloe. But Oman can't run no ambassador no. Until later no brief and a ocho statement a buy no.
Right.
Anyway, this is the statement from because of pressure and internet this is the screen and this is the statement. The statement about I can confirm today that Mrs. Sedina Tamakloe Atianu is being detained at the Nevada Southern Detention Center. My information is that she was detained by US Marshals on January 6th and has been kept at the detention center. I'm reliably informed that acting on extradition request sent to the US sometime in July 2024.
Yeah.
And MPP started.
Yeah.
US Marshals arrested Mrs. Sedina Tamakloe and placed her in detention to await a day in court. Now, Akokwa.
Yeah.
Mama no why then. 2017 May MPP by no started so much chase mama no mo friend no. Say wombra. Ntu sha Yoko invite former Maslock CEO but May 8, 2017. No, no, my name. Na lawyer betro letter. Victor Dawuga. Na brofo na nyasam ketwa. Sama amenu na busuafo yare. Twakwa brochire. Na media fo bi e betwetwo na ma bi e bebu no fi no. Omne e bechia ya me ade no twetwo brofo na no mo de coin. Now the 16th of April 2024. Na we see here.
Right.
Ex-Maslock CEO Sedina Tamakloe jailed 10 years for causing financial loss to the state. Akokwa boni odi ye no. The summarily, according to my Joe Online report that time any between 2013 and 2016 of 500,000 cedis and akokwa 5 billion yesika. Odane na nkwanta ye hu akire. Again, ade ba ko osan ye ne say 1.7 million bi anakokwa some the sensitization exercise no. Omu difa. Kakra bi no me ko adman no we court a convict no me kana sa we men kan leg uza no men kan leg say me ka Ofori-Atta leg no ko kan de court bi ambu an we court na dinasema wie in assumption because no new mind again almost say kantaman to da toho so this ka come man no akwa let's can no say bi ama ne kwanta
scan no afa baby
again omu ko toto phones bi ne cars bi in the name of Maslow. Ade bi akokwa yenye 25 cedi open market aka wo to do document mama 4 cedi 50%, 4 cedi 80% no. Na mami ato the 10 cedis, 7 cedis. Na so mo turn above market price. Nti na ade a yigina so e di jeli no eni. Nti akokwa ya cha no. I know meeting Ambassador Victor so on so the first hearing the 21st of January. Nti minim US Department of US State Department minim so much that say aduma na ye chwo na city January. We ko 20th na we usually ko 21st. On so akokwa makata say your extradition processes. You were the MLL. Mutual legal assistance. There was extradition out of Act 2 no any idea na US so was agreement ni akokwa. Say e bono na process e be ko US ni etia na she is also likely to be extradited to the country. In the Kokwa, Sedina Tamakloe, Nhyira, Eugene, the corruption charge and any Bibri. Now, Kokwa, me catch us a kind, Miss Emma can be. We are Cosunina, and say, no, what's MPP. If you cross a can amount, make me lose 2028. Go Debia can of Rata, can of Rata. Okwa, media, me dream say, oh, Bema, who ye.
Yeah.
Akwa sabe full soldiers be bre no ma manya appointments no mun school sen wo
yeah
sabe position na wo no enya political party na adon ho akodom ana o manya political power sabe sa position nka ye meritorious one ka wunya bi akwete ni ye
yeah
ma issue word bi e meritorious pa sabe mumu bi ye class education kon kan sen mo kakra enti e meritorious we bi anka munya bi into a political power na do akoduru ho therefore akokwa de bemzu will be cognizance kai baby a free
yeah
na president no appoint a man in sense form and a president Akufo-Addo can a corruption record
yeah
can approval ratings the worst in the last 20 years
yeah
for public pre-careful barometer to be a worse since 2022 for barometer
yeah
obunani mase into wo someone by ni ma have cognizance of the kai.
Yeah.
If you be unya ka ba ko bi. If you 8 na wo pe no, anya na abeda. Even if you no mu kures wo ba ko no.
Yeah.
Dan ketewa bi mpa bi ketewa bi na ada so.
Pese minkuminya ye pabro so.
Hene ngwa sesam wagu abusu ani ma ase. Woku wa wani ma ase. Oma na internet oma ba kekenka. Mami ya jeli no. To me ya jeli no.
For 10 years.
Wagu abusu ani ma ase.
Yeah.
Enti no eni breye eni pesaminko munyai anko ya muye na nsan na mi obi di nko obi na kan say oh wo hwe CEO na mje 15,000 Eugene na 15,000 there no na ye use allowance money ade
chicken feed
ye hwe muye ye hwe muye pa o man ni hwe muye
yeah
enti du muni adwuma bia ye didi ho
yeah
udi na da so kwa de ko be no aboni abu bia chew ni atimu bia mu adi free didi ho sa
de bia me ka chrom se Ghana position no eye ayesa abusuya tofe ukotra ho a Ghana sika na edidi dwuma ni nyina abusuya tofe ye mene ntu ye yem oboto finim
unza tofe ye tafre ho unza tofe ye mo kan wo wadi amoko
yeah
wansa wo tafre ho bobu onu tofe da to no akam
amina to ni ye
wo mu no madam said that no yo no tofe no to no ma no akam
seriously
and I mean the neba muni me position on corruption me de oye Hare Krishna ni oye SDA ni oye Pentecost ni okolita se me Osei-Tutu ya choko ya minimo min defend ko no
yeah
ye ba mano na bia obenya scan nyina de aba na osa benya 5 years 7 years me okay ko scan so hia hia sika akwa media me obie nu a me some private platform multimedia me gina me defend o
yeah
full soldier se bana he na pressure no na anya bi mo ma to mo sheda
eno anu no
ko wia na tija you state man be gina be chekere wunsin promise am de be ma wo na edu hu ni na kokwade bia me kasa bi si Shakespeare says something. Say the only thing a man has is his name.
Yeah.
Into who ye bibia kaifia ufiri mu yeden. Eba.
The empire chen hu.
President Mahama 1 corruption scandal ni be na appointees the man in sesi form. Na appointees and the man in sesi to sumo na kaima media. Na so for two hufo.
Yeah.
Akwa the last one am the be ma and I mean check.
Yeah.
Matete omso kuje to kwa Venezuela